Hi, my lovely Pisceans. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. Pisceans, first and foremost, let me wish you a very, very happy birthday. May this year be lot of love, peace, bliss, abundance, health, wealth, prosperity, guys. May all your dreams come true. And yeah, we are into Piscean season now. So let's see what messages we have for you guys. Like always, this is a collective reading. It might not resonate with all, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Okay. So Pisceans, while shuffling for you guys, I had a very pleasant vibe. Okay, I had very pleasant energies. I felt extreme calmness, extreme peace. I also was connecting to an energy wherein for some of you guys, some long pending task has come through. Okay, some burden is lifted off your chest. Okay, like the kind of feeling I was like the clouds are shifting, the dark clouds are shifting and the sun is slowly, shining or showing up, and that kind of vibe. Okay, for some of you guys, there could be a long pending property related work that has come through. Okay, buy or sale of property, that was what was coming very strongly. And for some of you guys, you might also be receiving money. Okay, a lot of money from some source. Okay, could be inheritance, could be someone might have lent your money. Okay, and that money was stuck with someone and now you are getting your money back. Okay, that kind of energy was also that was coming through very strongly. So overall it was very nice energy, and I hope the reading turns out to be nice too. Okay, so with that, let's get started, guys, and let's see what messages we have for you guys for the month of March 2022. High Priestess had shown up while shuffling also. This is your own energy, Piscean energy. Okay. Sorry, please forgive me. I still have cough. Okay, I still have cough. Okay, there looks like some sudden change. Yeah, there looks like sudden change. Guys, I feel that you are also King of Wands and Queen of Wands, soulmate energy. Guys, I feel that some of you guys, what was I saying? I just forgot. Okay, I just missed the point. Anyway, so yeah, let's get started, guys. I definitely feel that some of you guys in the past, okay, in the past, some of you guys were working really, really hard, or rather struggling, or was lot of burdened, lot of anxious, lot of physically exhausted. Okay, there were energies that were actually draining you down mentally and physically is what I'm getting over for some of you guys. Okay. It could also be the case that you were kind of overworking. Okay, like literally you love your job, you love your work, okay, whatever you're doing, and you just went overboard. Okay, and that actually exhausted you physically is also what I'm getting. Okay. Yeah, why is there Five of Pentacles? Okay, let's clarify the Five of Pentacles in the current energy. And there is Page of Swords as well. Okay, so I feel that some of you guys have cut ties with someone. Okay, because there is Four of Swords also. Yeah, I think I was talking about this. There is Four of Swords there was Four of Swords showing up while shuffling also. I feel that you have kind of defined some boundaries with respect to something or someone. Okay, this could be at workplace. It's like I am not going to tolerate anything beyond this. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting. But let's clarify what's the Five of Pentacles is all about. Okay, Five of Wands in reverse. Yeah. The magician has shown up twice, by the way, the Temperance. Well guys, I really feel that yes, there was some sort of not so pleasant experience for some of you guys at workplace, okay. And I feel that you might have, some of you guys, I'm not saying everyone, some of you guys might have hit a little financial low also, okay, and it had put you in the worry, in the energy of lot of anxiety and worry is also what I'm seeing. I feel that some of you guys, for some of you guys, there was someone who was a little manipulative, okay, and you realized it quite later, okay. You trusted someone blindly and that person was not what he or she was showing up to be, okay. So there is, I'm seeing a little breach of trust over here. I feel that that is when you decided to put some boundaries, okay, that okay, I'm not going to tolerate this behavior coming from anyone. I also feel that some of you guys have been manifesting something, okay. I feel that some of you guys, and I see that this is conscious manifestation, okay. You might be really aware of how the laws of universe work, and you guys are actually working towards manifesting something, because there is the Magician which has shown up twice, there is the High Priestess, and there is Temperance, okay. If you see how this Temperance is looking within, okay, she is kind of meditating, she's trying to seek balance totally, okay. She's standing on one foot and she's trying to seek balance. High Priestess is also about tapping the power within, okay. And there is Magician, which by now you must be knowing, if you have been following tarot readings, you know Magician is all about manifestations, okay. I feel that you have used your inner power to manifest something in your life is what I'm getting, or are doing that currently, okay. Page of Swords, yes, I feel that some of you guys, okay, you guys have probably stopped talking to someone, okay, and you could be, you know, or someone has stopped communication with you, and you guys might be kind of stalking each other, okay, over social media, trying to keep a tab on each other's updates, okay. Maybe you are not talking with each other, not messaging, not calling, but yet you are keeping tabs on each other, okay. That's the kind of energy I'm getting, guys. Yes, definitely yes. I want to clarify the King of Wands, okay. What's the King of Wands about? What's the King of Wands about? What is the King of Wands about? I feel that some of you guys have also done a lot of research. Whatever you are manifesting, you have done your homework is what I'm seeing, okay. The page is telling me that you have definitely researched and manifesting something very consciously, okay, and there is nothing to worry about it. That's why when we are manifesting something consciously, there is a reason for worrying, that if we are too much into negative thinking, we might end up, you know, manifesting wrong or not so pleasant events. What's the King of Wands about? Ten of Cups in reverse. Well, now this is very specific, guys, very specific. I feel that for some of you guys, there could be some sort of disruption in your family life, okay. I feel that, I don't know why I am feeling, or I am connecting to someone who has been working overboard, okay, like too much of work, you know. This King of Wands is definitely working very passionately on professional front, but that is kind of, you know, leaving him or her exhausted, and this is also causing disrupt in his family life, okay. There is imbalance that is caused in his family life. That is one thing that I am coming. And I also feel that some of you guys might be or there could be an energy who is kind of being a little flirtatious, okay. Someone could be in a relationship, yet that person might be flirting with someone else out here. That is the message I'm getting. Damn, Nine of Wands is covered by Nine of Wands, though this has come up in reverse. And this is Page of Wands. Yeah, definitely I feel there was some flirtatious energy involved for some of you guys. Could be you or the other person, but yes, some some light flirting or some intense flirting going on around here is what I'm getting. I'm just conveying the messages. Please take as it resonates and leave the rest, okay? If it doesn't match, please do not try to fit in. But yes, there are two things that I'm getting very strongly over here. Someone has been flirting over here and someone has been overworking is what I'm getting, okay? Let's clarify a bit on the Page of Swords. Okay, Five of Swords. Yeah, Page of Swords is clarified by Five of Swords in reverse. I feel that yes, someone definitely has what was the word? I just what's happening to me? Someone has cut ties with someone over here. Okay, look at this page. How she's holding her sword high. Okay, and she's like absolutely not in a mood to take any nonsense, any BS from someone. She's not up for any sort of betrayals over here. And I feel there is one more very strong message coming through. Since there is Temperance here and there is High Priestess, I feel that someone has finally decided to work through his or her own fears. Okay, I feel that you might be some of you might be fearing confronting someone. Okay, you might be a little hesitant to talk someone, to confront someone, but finally you have mustered the courage and you have decided to put your foot down and you have decided to say no to any improper behavior is what I'm getting for some of you guys. It's a very mixed energy, guys. A lot of energies I'm seeing in this reading. A lot of energies. This is not just one energy. Yeah. I sorry guys. I also feel that for some of you guys there has been an in and out energy. Okay, someone who is little immature. Okay, who is not stable in terms of, how do I say, who will think about one thing today and or other this moment and another thing about the same topic the next moment. Okay, that kind of immaturity I'm talking about. Okay, I feel that if at all you guys are in a relationship, this doesn't look like a long term one to me. Okay, I feel that this person is carrying a flirtatious vibe around him or her. Okay, so just be careful. Okay, if at all you are being serious or you are getting serious, just be careful about that. I also feel that there could be some I feel that there could be some sudden change coming through for some of you guys. Okay, the change is in terms of there will be a sudden moment of awakeness or a euphoria kind of moment you'll have. Okay, wherein something will strike to you out of the blue and everything will fall in place, everything will start falling place. Okay, suppose you have been dealing with certain issue over a couple of days, weeks, months. Okay, and you are kind of racking your brains around something and you are doing your chores, you're working, and then suddenly a thought comes and everything comes like a flash of light. Okay, and everything starts making sense. Okay, as if that missing piece of the jigsaw puzzle has come through and is fitting at the right place. Okay, and that's the kind of energy I'm getting. High Priestess and Knight of Swords. Yes, I am feeling that you are getting your moment of sudden awareness, sudden idea, thought, which is going to make everything feel it's like now it makes sense. Okay, now it makes sense why so and so was behaving this, or why so and so was happening, or why I was feeling this and this. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting. Ten of Pentacles is here at the bottom of the deck because I feel that this Ten of Pentacles was showing up a lot while shuffling. There is going to be some news in terms of money. For some of you guys, there is going to be good news in terms of money. Guys, there is Four of Cups in the reverse, I feel that you guys are going to be awoke or aware about something, and you're going to you're going to decide to get up and dust yourself off and of that energy, and start taking the right actions, which is a good thing. Okay, this is related to this current energy of betrayal, of broken trust. Okay, and some actions being taken about that. Talking about your overall energy, Four of Swords has shown twice. Four of Swords was there in your shuffling also. I also feel that someone is manifesting something big time. Okay, there is Magician, there is Four of Swords. So look at how this person is sleeping, and there is one sword just beneath. This is your subconscious. Okay, so you are definitely thinking about something subconsciously, and maybe some of you guys are also worried about your family, thinking too much about your family. Okay, I also feel that there is some blocked communication over here. Some of you guys are not talking to each other, and I also feel that you guys really need to take a break. You need to rest a little. Okay, especially if you're going through some intense energies, intense transformation, make sure you're resting a lot. Okay, do not rack your brains too much. Okay, learn your lessons, meditate. High Priestess and Temperance is telling to meditate. Okay, definitely meditate and seek the balance. Okay, do not go into overthinking mode. Rest enough, take a break. Okay, in fact, if possible, take a small vacation. There is Hanged Man also, which is Four of Swords and Hanged Man, both are telling that you guys really need a break. You need a mental break as well as physical break. Okay, so go on a small vacation wherein you'll get a change of thought processes. Okay, so definitely take a break, guys. It will also if at all whatever issue that you are thinking or dealing with, maybe once you take a break, you'll get clarity of mind, clarity of thoughts, and you'll start seeing the things from a different angle. You'll get a different perspective, you will get your solution. Okay, that's the kind of the energy I'm getting. So definitely take a break, guys. King of Swords, King of Wands and Queen of Wands, there is a power couple involved over here. And I feel that yes, some of you guys might be getting into a relationship. Okay, a very passionate relationship, and that is what I would say. Strong fire energy over here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, Magician has shown up twice. Like I said, so someone is manifesting a big time. Do let me know what is it that you're manifesting so much, guys. I'm so curious to know, and I'll be really happy to know that you have actually brought your dreams into fruition. Okay, or into reality. It's like a success story, and I'm really curious to know. Okay, Wheel of Fortune and Knight of Pentacles. Now, Knight of Pentacles is the slowest moving energy in the deck. Maybe you guys go through a phase or a period wherein you will feel that okay, nothing is moving, nothing is happening. Okay, where is the result, where is the progress, or where is whatever XYZ that you want to see. Okay, but that's not the case. Be assured that whatever you're working towards, whatever you're trying to manifest, okay, that is coming to you. Universe is working in the background to bring that thing to you. Okay, so just be assured. Okay, and Wheel of Fortune very good. This Wheel of Fortune is telling me a very good story, guys. Some of you, like I said, you guys have decided to you have decided to move on from something which was not working for you. Okay, and like I said, the Four of Cups has come in reverse. Four of Cups in the upright tells about someone who is stuck. Okay, but in the reverse it's telling me that you have taken a decision to move on, and which is a very nice news, guys. And your time is going to change. I feel that your time has come now, rather I would put it that way. Okay, the wheel of life is changing for better for you guys, and I am so happy and excited to see this transformation and change for you. Yeah, by the way, while shuffling, the word that suddenly pops to my mind was victory. Okay, victory. I forgot to mention that. So yes, something, like I said, I still am feeling that something that was long pending for you, Pisceans, is going to come to its what do I say? It's going to reach its resolution, or come to a resolution, is what I'm saying. is what I'm getting. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Definitely. I mean, this is the message that I have been getting through and through. Full moon in Capricorn. Like I said, while free shuffling also, I am getting that some long pending thing is going to come to a closure for you guys. Okay. The burden is going to be lifted is what I am getting even now. Let's see any other message for my lovely Pisceans. Any other message for my lovely Pisceans. It's time to release negativity, of course, and yeah, there you go, guys. This is what I was talking about, and it's there right in the phase at the bottom of the deck. A personal issue reaches resolution. I am not connecting, or I cannot vouch more on this energy that I'm feeling. Okay, some long pending burden is going to be lifted off your chest, and both are full. Oh, all three are full moon cards. Full moons are all about closures. Okay, all three are full moon cards, guys. Cancer, Capricorn and Scorpio, earth and water. Yes, so definitely something toxic is going to come to an end for you guys. It's time to release negativity. It's time to let go and move on and embrace the new phase of your life. Okay, new chapter of your life is what I'm getting. It's time to turn the page is what I'm getting, guys, in a nutshell. However it resonates with you. Let's see what message we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Any message for my lovely Pisceans? Let go. Of course, it's time to release negativity and let go. Both the cards are telling the same thing. It's confirmed by the angels. And what else do you need? Improving health and big happy changes. Guys, this is such a lovely and yes, oh my goodness. Pisceans, this reading has a very positive note to it, and I was feeling right from the time I was shuffling for you guys, and I'm so happy for you. Let go of whatever that is not serving you right, whatever is bringing your energies down. Focus on your health, mental and physical. Meditate a lot, and big changes are awaiting for you right at around the corner. Okay, a big yes for you guys, for whatever it is that you're seeking. Now let's quickly pull some charms and we can conclude this reading. I'm so happy that my March readings have begun with such a beautiful note. Okay, strong is beautiful. Wow, lovely charm. Strong is beautiful. Then what? And every hair from fair sometimes declines. Now there is High Priestess, and this charm and High Priestess is telling me that if at all you notice any red flags, so please do take notice of that. Do not ignore that. Do not ignore your gut feeling or intuition. Okay, that is confirmed from this. What is this? You're always in my heart. You're always in my heart. Wow, what a loving and affectionate message to someone or from someone. Wow, there is a ring. Guys, could be that some of you guys are getting in a relationship. There is a soulmate relationship over here. King and Queen of Wands, a power couple, a couple over here, a fiery couple at that. So yes, definitely someone could get into a very passionate relationship over here and a very solid relationship at that. I also feel that yeah, some of you guys might be ending your old relationship and entering a new one. Okay, that could also be the case, and this message might be coming from this couple. Okay, you are always in my heart. And a ring, engagement ring, could be an initial R if at all it means anything to you. Okay, a person who has R in the name. V, okay, V is for Vrishali. Just kidding. Okay, R, V and Q. Initials R, V and Q have shown up, guys, if at all they mean anything for you guys. Okay, so yeah, Pisceans, I'll leave it at that. I hope you like this reading. If any of this resonates with you, if this is your story, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.